Welcome. Are you tired of getting constant notifications for Facebook events? Maybe you're getting bombarded with invites, updates, or reminders that you just don't need. Whatever the reason, muting those event notifications can bring you some peace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those notifications with a few quick and easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, look for the menu icon. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines, and you'll find it in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the options, and then select Settings. Now scroll down until you find Notifications. Tap on Notifications to access your notification settings. Here, you can customize all sorts of notifications, but we're focusing on events today. In the notification settings, find and tap on Events. This will take you to the event notification preferences. Finally, at the top of the screen, you'll see Allow Notifications on Facebook. Toggle this option off. This will disable all event notifications from appearing on your Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications for events on Facebook. You can always go back into these settings and toggle it back on if you change your mind later. This will stop those constant reminders and updates, giving you more control over what you see and when you see it. These steps will help you disable reminder notifications on Facebook, so you can stay focused without unnecessary distractions. Whether it's birthday reminders, event notifications, or other alerts, managing your notifications can help you stay focused. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.